The sensor is located on the left side of the engine, red arrow. You will need to first remove the purge valve and lines to access it. You do not need to remove any other components to access it. We have removed some things for photographic purposes only. Begin by squeezing in on the locking lugs on the line behind the left side of the throttle body, red arrow. Then slide the line off the resonance tube. Release the coupling on the supply line from the carbon canister by squeezing in on the locking lugs and pulling it off the tank vent line indicated by the red arrow. Slide the lines off of the mount, indicated by the red arrow, on the cylinder 1 to 3 intake manifold and squeeze in on the tabs on the electrical connector and separate them, blue arrow. Remove the valve and the lines. The lines, solenoid, and valve are all one piece. Inspect it for any cracks or damage and replace as needed. With the valve out of the way, you can see the air temperature sensor mounted between the number 1 and number 2 intake runners and indicated by the red arrow. Unclip the wiring connection and pull it off of the sensor, red arrow. You can now wiggle and pull the sensor up and out of its mount between the runners. It's just held in with a friction fit between the rubber gasket and the mount. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.